In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text-to-speech with Descript. Descript is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of turning your written words into spoken audio. Whether you're looking to create engaging voiceovers for videos or need to produce professional podcasts, Descript can help you achieve that seamlessly. Let's dive into the process together. We start by having your Descript project open and ready. At the heart of this process is the Write Script feature. On your project interface, you'll find this option designed to effortlessly guide you through your text-to-speech journey. Click on Write Script, and this takes you to the workspace where all the magic begins. Now, within this space, you're going to either type out your text or simply paste any pre-written content. This flexibility allows you to experiment or bring in content from different sources. As you input your text, Descript's integrated AI kicks into action. It's designed to read your script and transform it into speech almost immediately. The precision and quality of the AI's voice are what make Descript stand out, offering you clear and realistic outcomes. While the process is straightforward, here are some pointers to make the most out of it. Ensure that your script is well formatted. Good formatting and punctuation can significantly influence how the script is spoken by the AI. For example, use commas to denote pauses and consider breaking complex sentences into shorter, more digestible ones. This not only makes it easier to understand, but also provides better control over the pacing and emphasis in the final audio. Additionally, take advantage of the settings and customization options Descript offers. You can adjust the AI voice characteristics, such as pitch and speed, to better match the tone and emotions suited for your project. Whether you're aiming for a formal tone for business content or a more relaxed, friendly vibe for storytelling, these options can help tailor it perfectly. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to convert your text into speech using Descript. By mastering these steps, you open up a world of possibilities for creating dynamic multimedia content. The integration of text-to-speech in Descript not only saves time, but also adds a level of professionalism and versatility to your projects. I'm confident that as you continue to explore and utilize this feature, your content creation will become more engaging and easier to produce. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to try out text-to-speech in your projects. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on making the most of Descript and other creative tools. Happy creating!